Learn about masculine and feminine and neutral nouns. Masculine nouns. Masculine nouns are used for male humans and animals. Feminine nouns. Feminine nouns are used for female humans and animals. Neutral nouns. Some nouns can be used for both male and female humans. These are called neutral nouns. Humans. Masculine, feminine. Father, mother. Brother, sister. King, queen. Nephew, niece. Father, mother. Brother, sister. King, queen. Nephew, niece. Animals. Masculine, feminine. Lion, lioness. Peacock, peahen. Horse, mare. Bull, cow. Lion, lioness. Peacock, peahen. Horse, mare. Bull, cow. Neutral nouns. Masculine, feminine. Chef, teacher. Student, engineer. Singer, photographer. Principal, friend. Chef, teacher. Student, engineer. Singer, photographer. Principal, friend. Thank you for watching.